Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a product. In this case, welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a product in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add or sell your products on, click on Manage Store to go straight to the store management area. Once you're here, click on Products. You will see the available products on your store, and to add a new one, click on Add Product. Here, select Physical Products. Now here you should upload your images. You can upload them and generate product details using AI, or simply upload your images. Here for this video, since I already got the product details using ChatGPT, I will only upload images. Those are my product photos. Here, even after uploading your images, simply you can click on Generate Product Details, and Hostinger AI will generate product details based on the first product image. This one in my case. Here you can reorder your images like that. Make this the first one or the last one. Now let's start with the title. For example, in my case, I will go with classic minimalistic rider watch. This is the subtitle. For the ribbon, I will go with new. For the description, this is mine. Key features, materials included in the box. For pricing, I will go with one. I should not use this $sign. Same thing for this discount price. For the SKU, this is it. The weight is 4 ounces. Here you can go with track quantity. Let's say you have 100 pieces of this watch. Here fill in 100. So when your stock is low, I think you will get a little notification when you are seeing your store products. Here you will see next to status, I think you will see something like low in stock. For this video, I will not track quantity. Here in the additional info sections, those info sections will be shown below your add to bag button. All of this, we will see all of this in details or live at the end of this video. Let's add another info section called warranty. This is the content. Save the third info section. Return policy. After filling, you can still reorder them like this. Here in the options, here you can manage what options this product comes in, such as size, color, or weight. Unique variants will be created, which you can then control individually. For this watch, I will go with the variants like color. So this is my first. So here, click for the option, call it color. And here in the selections, let's add first one. Let's add a new one. Black leather, called it black leather strap. And the third one is stainless steel mesh. Click on save. And just like that, after adding this first variant, which is color, you will see this table. Here you can adjust the price per variant, or you can adjust the price, discounted price, SKU, and the weight for each product variant. Now you can give each variant a photo. Unfortunately, you can't upload a new photo dedicated for this variant, but you can only use your product, your uploaded product photos here. Now let's jump to the custom field here. Since this is our watch, there is no customization, so I will jump it. For the category here, AI suggests fashion watch. I will not click on it if even it is suitable, because I think when you click on the suggested category here, your product is automatically saved. I think this is a bug with Hostinger lately. So I will add a new one manually, and I will call it men's accessories. Click on add, category added. Here you can show related products to increase sales or not. I will go with show related products, and for this related product section you can give it a name. For example, you may also like, and you can even show related products from all products on your online store, or dedicated or exact or some categories. I will go with all products. Now click on save, and just like that my product is added here first in the list. But if I browse my online shop, I will not see it because it is not live yet. To publish it, I need to click on publish in editor, and then click on update website to make sure that this product is available online. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to shop, and this is the product I've just added. Let's check it. And this is the product title, the subtitle, the original price, discounted price, the product photos. Here you can the customer can select the variant. In my case it's color, and as you see, as I select one, it shows me the correct photo. From here I can edit the quantity, I can add to bag, and here the info, the added or the additional info sections. This is how they look like below the add to bag button. And below the product photos, yes, below the product photos, this is the product description, materials included in the box, and below all of this I have this related products section. This is the title I gave this section. Yes, and this is how to add a product in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.